Okay, as you can see, we have another video today. Another video of me watching insane thunderstorms. Now, the reason why I started this video is because of that. There's been some insane lightning shows out here. And so I just wanted to film so I could share it to you guys. So let's just watch. You can see the clouds over there. This isn't really going to be like the one on Tuesday, but it's going to be pretty big. Oh, I thought I just saw lightning out there. Oop, I saw that. Did you guys see it? There's the thunder. I think I just saw another flash and another flash. See, this is what I was talking about when I said lightning shows. There's tons of lightning. It's just thunder and lightning galore. Jeez. For me, it's a lot darker than it is for you guys, simply due to the fact that the camera lens is using its lighting mechanism. So it's making the clouds look lighter than they are for me. Making it look lighter for you guys. Oh, lightning flash. I saw it. Pretty sure you guys saw that. Because I did. Hey, there's some thunder. Sorry, I just had to clear my throat. It would be a lot better if I didn't have all these trees in my neighbor's yard. Oh, the trees are moving. Leaves are moving. And I think I just felt a drop of water or two. So it might be starting to rain. And also it's the summertime, so there's bugs out too. So I'm sorry if a bug just blocks your view. Because sometimes a bug might fly right in front of the camera lens. It happens. That seems to be the head of the storm passing by. That might be what is known as a whale's mouth. Oh yeah, you can see the clouds in the distance way better than I can. Those clouds are tall. It's kind of like we're in like an eye, almost. It's kind of like we're in the eye of the storm almost. Like the eye of a hurricane. It almost seems like that. Because there's just like a hole in the sky, basically. And then there are even more storms coming in. Right ahead of you. Geez, those storms are moving fast. They're just racing towards here. And also, tomorrow is the day of Tropical Storm Elsa, so be ready for a video of that soon. But anyways, this seems to be more clouds, darker clouds moving in now. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for that mess. Oh, I saw that. If you look here, the fireflies are starting to come out now. Look, you see the fireflies? Those guys are starting to come out because they think it's night. When in reality, it's like 6 p.m. Which isn't nighttime because of daylight savings. And usually I would catch fireflies, but not in this case. Oh! That was big. See? What did I tell you? Anyway, look at the trees. It's wind. Oh, damn! It's gonna stop recording. Oh! This is gonna stop recording, so I might have to make a part 2. As soon as it stops recording. Just take this perspective here. Take these last few seconds as a sneak peek to part 2. Yep. Thunder's way louder. This is the big storm. This is the big